I'm going to show you how I'm maximizing my token usage for Fable 5, especially until July 7th, and I'm making the most amount of money possible abusing Fable 5. If you want all the prompts, everything that I'm doing, I put everything in my school community as well as weekly calls. The link will be below. But for those of you that don't know, Fable 5 is back. It got jailbroken before. Claude put some more restrictions on it, and it's back. And until July 7th, you could use it with your Claude Max subscription. And then after July 7th, it'll go through your usage credits. So here's what I'm doing to maximize my token usage without burning through it. So the general thing is, first of all, I am connecting Composio.dev to Fable 5. And the reason for this is that I get more context to Fable 5. So with this, the main thing that I'm focused on is my product called Cyndra AI. It's a platform to grow AI agents. So with this, the thing I'm focused on is Cyndra AI. It's a orchestration platform for AI agents. You can easily deploy AI agents for your business. And my goal is to grow it. So what I'm doing is I'm connecting Composio to Fable 5, and the main stuff that I'm focused on are Search Console, as well as PostHog. So I connected both of these to Fable 5, is I essentially asked Fable 5, based off all the context you have via Composio, I connected it to a lot of other stuff as well. It's connected to Google Search Console, Google Analytics, PostHog. It has all the information that it needs to make very good decisions. So I asked it to help essentially generate good go-to-market ideas for Cyndra. And what it did is it came up with a good SEO plan for Cyndra that we can do. So there's two options. I could either have Fable 5 go out and execute on that SEO plan, but it's going to burn a lot of tokens. It's not the smartest way, but I want to have a super team where Fable 5 can make the best quality decisions. It can act as the orchestrator. So that's exactly what I'm doing, where I have it come up with the plan and it makes the actual plan. So it came up with a very nice programmatic SEO plan, and it comes up with this nice markdown file. It puts it in a Claude artifact. All good. It's a markdown file. That is the most important part. I got a markdown file with the actual accurate data. It checks everything that's connected to via Composio, Search Console, PostHog. It also just checks the internet to make sure that there's good traffic and whatnot, or keyword research essentially. And it comes up with this nice little markdown file for the SEO plan. And then the next thing that I do is I come here to Claude Code and I use a specific model, which is GLM 5.2. And I have the subscription for GLM 5.2. AI, the makers of GLM 5.2, have subscription plans very similar to Claude Code or Codex. So I have the $64 a month subscription plan, and I have GLM 5.2 in Claude Code. So after I have this markdown file that Fable 5 made with all the accurate data, it has the good plan, I essentially just give this to Fable 5. So what I'm going to do is essentially just download this markdown file. And once I have the markdown file, I literally just feed it to Claude Code that's running GLM 5.2. So here it is. Here is a plan for SEO that I want you to execute. So I told GLM 5.2, execute on this plan, create a pull request for it. It's going to go out and do this SEO work for me that Fable 5 actually came up with. And the final step that I do is after I actually have this pull request, I will give this to Fable 5 to review. And GitHub as well is another thing that can be connected via Composio. So I can connect to GitHub via Composio so that Fable 5 can access that pull request and see, cool, this is the work that GLM 5.2 did versus what I had in my mind. It could give feedback and act as the orchestrator to essentially make sure that programmatic SEO play that it had in mind will actually do extremely well. So that's how I'm maximizing that token usage with Fable 5, especially until July 7th. I'm connecting it to everything via Composio. I wrote here, give your business context to Fable 5. And there's a few different ways you can do that. SimpleFin is another really cool tool. SimpleFin Bridge. It lets you connect to all your bank accounts and financial accounts for $1.50 a month. You can give this to Fable 5, help it make a very detailed plan. Composio is another really cool thing. So Composio, SimpleFin, and then let Fable 5 create the plan. Give that plan to GLM 5.2 in Claude Code so you can save costs. And then after GLM 5.2 executes, feed that back to Fable 5 so it can audit it, give any feedback, any last revisions that it's needed. And that's how you can maximize your token usage and make the most amount of money possible until July 7th with Fable 5. If you want any prompts, weekly access, weekly calls, direct access to me, I'll put my link below to my school community where I share everything. Thank you so much for watching. Keep building, keep shipping. I'm rooting for you.